I'm the elected Police and Crime Commissioner for Surrey, which kind of makes me a bit like Boris Johnson in London, except I haven't got any tube trains or buses, and as you can see, no hair. I think this is a really great opportunity for people to come along and see what Discover Islam's all about. It's probably one of the best exhibitions. I've been lucky, I've travelled a bit in the Islamic old world, if you like, but this is probably the most concise display of what Islam's about.
I work with people with multiple profound disabilities, and one of my clients is of Muslim faith. So I'm actively looking for information. It's not easy to find accurate information. There's a lot of misinformation, so it's nice to be able to come here and just speak to people and just explore.
Why I'm really supportive of this is this will enable Islam to become more open to people who are perhaps Christians or Buddhists or whatever, to understand what it's about, and also for people who are themselves believers in Islam to meet people from the other members of the community. So I'm very keen to see this go wide right across the whole of the UK.